When you get inside of a Tesla, one of the first things that you're going to notice is the massive screen that's located inside of the cabin. And you don't even have to dig through the menu in order to access some of the features and shortcuts that's available to you. That's why in today's video, I'm going to go over 12 shortcuts that you can access not by going through the menu, but through your home screen on your Tesla, and I'm starting right now. So this first one, just say if your car is glitching or something is happening on the screen or with the car and you want to make that report right to Tesla, you don't have to go through the service menu at all. All that you want to do is come over here on your screen and you see the car menu here. I'm just going to press that for like a few seconds. And you can see right there, it is sending that feedback right on to Tesla. Now, one thing that I love about Tesla is that it will take the calendar that's on my phone and sync it right to the car. Now, there is a home screen shortcut in order to access your calendar. And all you want to do is, again, come right over here to the time. If you click on the clock, your calendar will now populate. So if your climate control is running and you want to turn off your climate control, you just can come right over here. You're going to find the temperature, and if you hold it down, just say for about 2 seconds, 1, 2, the climate is now off. And if you want to turn it back on, you can just press it. Now the climate is back on. And there is a way that you can quickly access your charging menu right from the home screen. So you no longer have to go through the menu and pull up your charge menu the old-fashioned way. All you want to do on your home screen is to come right over here where you see the battery icon. And if you press there, now all of your charge stats and all of your charging controls and everything else will populate right here. And many of us already know if we flicker our high beam lights, your light menu will come up right over here. But did you know here on your home screen, any of the icons that you see over here, if I want to pull up my light menu, I can just press, just say the light right there. Now my light menu came up as well. So whenever you use your signal over here, the camera display will pop up. But if you press on the icon that's blinking, the green icon one time, it will hide it. However, it's still blinking. If you want the display to come back, all you do is press it one time and now it's going to populate again. And from your home screen, you can lock and also unlock your car doors. And this is all you do. Here on your screen, you have a little lock. It's very small, but it's right above the navigate bar. I'm just going to press it one time. It's locked. If I press it again, you're going to hear 2 chimes. Now it's unlocked. Bringing up your climate control sometimes can seem like a hassle, but this is so easy right from your home screen. We're just going to swipe up anywhere here on the bottom and your full climate menu will populate. So if I go down here, if I come over here, swipe it up again, the full climate menu will again populate. If you're anywhere out on the town or in the city and you want to get home, all you have to do is come over here to the navigate bar and you just swipe down and it will automatically take you home and navigate you right home. But the cool thing is, if you're at home and you swipe down like this, it will automatically navigate you to work, given that you already saved your home address and also your work address to the car. And it is so easy to turn up your volume on your radio right from the home screen. You're going to come down here wherever you see the little speaker icon, and you can just simply just slide your finger back and forth. And now you can see the volume is turning up. By sliding my finger this way, the volume is turning down. And this will work with the temperature as well. So to increase the temperature, we're just going to take our finger right here and we're just going to slide. And you see now it's getting warmer. And if we slide the other way to the left, it's getting cooler. And there are 11 hidden Tesla features that even Tesla owners don't know about. And I highlight those very quickly in the video right over there on the top. The other video, all things related to your Tesla and your finances. Check that out. Make sure you subscribe and I will see you in the next video.